Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the lucrative world of tomato and potato processing in Africa. With the continent's rich agricultural resources and growing demand for processed foods, there's never been a better time to invest in this industry. Africa produces millions of tons of tomatoes and potatoes annually. However, a significant portion goes to waste due to inadequate processing facilities. By establishing processing plants, entrepreneurs can reduce post-harvest losses and meet the rising demand for products like tomato paste, ketchup, potato chips, and frozen fries. Step 1. Market research. Graphs showing market demand, interviews with consumers. Narrator. Begin by analyzing local and regional markets. Understand consumer preferences, existing competitors, and potential distribution channels. This insight will shape your product offerings and marketing strategies. Step 2. Business plan development. Shots of business meetings, planning sessions. Narrator. Craft a detailed business plan outlining your objectives, target market, operational strategy, and financial projections. This plan will serve as your roadmap and is essential for attracting investors or securing loans. Step 3. Location and infrastructure. Choose a location close to raw material sources to minimize transportation costs. Ensure the site has access to essential utilities like water, electricity, and roads. Step 4. Equipment procurement. Invest in quality processing equipment tailored to your product line. This includes washers, peelers, slicers, fryers, and packaging machines. Consider scalability to accommodate future growth. Step 5. Regulatory compliance. Adhere to local food safety and quality standards. Obtain necessary certifications and ensure your products meet both national and international regulations. Step 6. Workforce recruitment and training. Hire skilled personnel and provide comprehensive training to maintain high production standards and ensure workplace safety. Step 7. Production and quality control. Implement strict quality control measures at every production stage. Consistency and quality are key to building brand trust. Did you know that over 40% of Africa's harvested tomatoes are wasted due to poor storage and lack of processing? This presents a golden opportunity. With tomato processing, you can turn perishable goods into valuable products like tomato paste, ketchup, tomato powder, and canned tomatoes. Why this business? High demand in local and international markets reduces post-harvest losses, job creation and value addition, potential for export. Every season across Africa, millions of pineapples and oranges ripen under the sun, only to rot away. Meanwhile, our supermarket shelves are filled with imported juices, expensive, packed with preservatives, and often lacking the natural richness we already grow right here. But what if I told you that within this waste lies an untapped gold mine? What if the very fruits we ignore could become the foundation of a multi-million-dollar juice empire, creating jobs, nourishing communities, and building real wealth? In today's masterclass, we unlock one of the most overlooked opportunities on the continent, starting a pineapple and orange juice processing factory in Africa. Whether you're a student, a business owner, a farmer, or just someone with a dream, this 200-minute deep dive will show you everything you need, from sourcing fruits to setting up machines, securing legal certifications, creating irresistible packaging, and marketing your brand across the continent and beyond. Africa's future doesn't lie in imports. It lies in processing what we grow and profiting from it. This is more than business. This is transformation. So stay with us, because by the end of this video, you'll have the blueprint to turn your fruit into fortune. As we come to the end of this journey, one thing is clear. Africa is not short on resources, only on vision and action. Our land is bursting with flavor, but too many opportunities are still left to rot. You now have the complete blueprint to build a successful pineapple and orange juice factory. From sourcing raw fruit to processing, packaging, licensing, and marketing, You've seen the machines, understood the costs, and discovered the demand that is waiting to be met. This business isn't just about juice. It's about reducing food waste, empowering farmers, creating jobs, and feeding Africa with African-made products. Every bottle you produce could change lives, and every factory you build could become a pillar in your community. Remember, global brands started small, just like you will. But they grew because someone believed in an idea and took the first step. So don't wait for perfect timing. Start where you are, with what you have, and let your juice factory be part of the new African success story. The future is fresh. The future is local. The future is you. Take action today. Africa is ready. Are you? Welcome to abundant raw materials. But high-wastage Africa produces millions of tons of potatoes annually, especially in countries like Nigeria, Kenya, Rwanda, Uganda, Algeria, and South Africa. But due to poor storage and limited processing facilities, up to 40% of harvested potatoes go to waste. 2. High demand, low local supply. While the demand for potato products like frozen fries, potato chips, crisps, starch, and peeled potatoes is growing fast in Africa's cities, most of the high-quality processed potato products are imported. This creates a huge gap in the local market. 3. Urban lifestyle and fast food boom cities are seeing rising demand for fast foods, burgers, fried chicken, and fries, thanks to a growing middle class and urbanization. Every fast food outlet, school canteen, or supermarket wants locally available high-quality potato products, but few local processors can meet the demand. What you can process from potatoes: French fries, frozen chips, for fast food restaurants and hotels, potato chips, crisps, packaged and branded for retail potato flour, starch, used in baking, baby food, soups peeled, vacuum-packed potatoes, for supermarkets boiled or roasted ready-to-eat potatoes, for canteens and quick service. Why Africa needs processing factories. Now, job creation. Processing plants create hundreds of direct and indirect jobs in farming, packaging, logistics, and retail. Import substitution. Africa spends billions on importing food products that could be made locally. Food security. Processing extends shelf life and reduces post-harvest losses. Value addition. Raw potatoes can be sold at 20 cents per kilogram, while processed fries or chips fetch 5 to 10 times more per kilogram. Export potential. Neighboring countries without factories will buy from you if you build it right. Essential machines for a potato processing business: for potato chips, crisps, washing and peeling machine, slicing machine, rinsing and de-starch, machine, blanching machine, dehydrator spinner, frying machine, de-oiling machine, flavoring seasoning machine, packing machine for French fries, frozen chips, peeling machine, cutting machine, blancher, freezer, tunnel, IQF, packaging machine. Estimated startup cost: small scale, $10,000 to $30,000. Medium scale, $50,000 to $120,000. Industrial scale, $200,000 plus. Step 1. Identify your target market. Fast food chains: KFC, Chicken Republic, local burger spots. School and university canteens, hotels and restaurants, supermarkets and convenience stores, exporters and distributors. Step 2. Branding and packaging use. Attractive, locally inspired branding. Include nutritional information, batch number, expiry date. Offer sizes from small packs, 25 grams, 50 grams, to family sizes, 250 grams to 1 kilogram. Highlight: locally made, farm fresh, no preservatives. Step 3. Distribution channels. Retail: get listed in supermarkets and corner shops. Direct to restaurants: deliver frozen fries or crisps. Online sales: use Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp to take orders. Street vendors: supply kiosk sellers, schools, and bus park vendors. Export to nearby countries, especially in ECOWAS or EAC zones. Step 4. Promotional strategy: offer free samples to schools, restaurants, and events. Use social media for brand awareness. Show processing, packaging, and safety. Collaborate with influencers or food bloggers. Run Buy 5, Get 1 free promotions in shops and schools. Sponsor community events and advertise in local radio stations. Step 5. Build partnerships. Partner with potato farmers for consistent supply. Work with delivery companies or youth delivery agents. Join agricultural or food manufacturing cooperatives. Profitability. Potential. Let's say, cost to produce 1 kilogram of potato chips, $1.50. Selling price, $4 to $6 depending on packaging. Net profit per kilogram, $2 to $4. If you sell just 500 kilograms per week, that's over $1,000 to $2,000 profit weekly. With scale, strong branding, and distribution, this business can grow to $10,000 to $50,000+ in monthly revenue. Final thoughts. The potato processing industry in Africa is ripe with opportunity. With the right vision, the right machines, and a solid marketing strategy, you can build a profitable, job-creating, and export-ready business that feeds cities and powers local economies. The best part? You're adding value to what farmers already grow in abundance. Don't just sit on the sidelines while others import what we can produce locally. Now is the time to invest in a potato processing business that adds value, creates jobs, feeds cities, and builds wealth right here in Africa. If you found this video helpful and you're passionate about building a successful food processing business in Africa, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.